Okay, so what I've done once the dish is cooked, I've literally just grabbed this scoop, okay, and I've put one into each box until the pot is empty, okay. You might notice this one is a bit fuller. That's because I've put couscous into it first, okay. That's because my lovely cameraman is going to eat it in a second. What I've done recently is I was putting my couscous or rice in first, and I put my meat on top of it. But I've stopped doing that because I've learned from my cameraman that if basically you cook grains like rice or couscous and you leave them for a couple of days, even in the fridge, basically when you reheat it, increases your chances of getting salmonella, food poisoning, that kind of stuff. Okay, so if you want to stay safe, try to cook your rice on a more regular basis, or maybe cook it for just a day or two in advance. Okay, also you might fancy different sources of carbs, so that kind of gives you a little bit more flexibility. You might fancy pita bread one day, or potatoes, that kind of stuff. Okay, so quick sort of recap. Basically, if you're trying to change how your body looks, the most important thing is consistency. Okay, so people probably have this breaking point where they think, right, I've had enough of this, I want to get fit, and they go down the shop, they buy loads of healthy food, and then, for example, they spend the whole day cooking really like a good quality meal. They go to the gym, exercise, all of that, but then they fall off the wagon because they haven't got the experience of how to make things easy for themselves. So basically, when it comes to day 2, day 3, day 4, uh, they're still messing around making these healthy meals that take loads of time, and it just kind of puts them off the whole effort, how tedious it is. Because one good training day won't make you an athlete, just as one bad day won't like make you overweight. Okay, it's what you do on a consistent basis. So you want to make things as easy as possible to stay consistent, which is how I do my meal prep.